Okay, children. So here I am trying my maximum. Sorry. So you understood the difference quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial. Now through the example, first we can see we have to identify is this a quadratic equation or not. Method is same as before. Quadratic polynomial or quadratic, we did linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial. Something by looking you will see it is quadratic polynomial, but actually no. So first exercise 4.1 is telling like that only. Quadratic equation, no need to tell him more because we know quadratic polynomial. I am comparing both are same equal to, that is why. No more explanation is needed. If we need, needed, I will do. Now, you can see exercise 4.1. Check x square minus 2x, that is equal to 3 minus x minus 2. All of you do the example. Check. Check it is a quadratic equation or not. Second degree. S square right? S square minus 2x, that is equal to 3 minus x into minus 2. Check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. First, we have to identify whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Check first, equal sign is there. Checking only. Here. Okay, open the bracket. 3. Okay, here into multiplication is there. 3 minus x into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Okay, you can open the bracket. 3 into minus 2 minus x into minus 2. That is s square minus 2x. Now check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Here x square minus 2 minus 6 minus x minus plus 2x. S square minus 2x. Here 3 into, that is minus 6. The minus into minus plus 2x. Now s square minus 2x. S square minus 2x. Again minus 2x plus 6. That is equal to 0. Now you check, it is quadratic equation or not? Tell me.
Yes.
It is a quadratic equation. So we can say s square minus 2s minus 2s, s square minus 4x plus 6. That is equal to 0. Exactly s square plus bs plus c is equal to 0. Your a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is 6. Okay. Now write one homework. After that, I will proceed. S square plus 3x plus 1. Second question. You can check that. Second question. S square plus 3x plus 1. That is equal to s minus 2 whole square. First is yes. Now you have to check this one. This is a homework like that. This is a homework. Second question homework. By seeing this, don't believe you can do like that, a minus b whole square like that. Now listen here. Write their homework, then listen. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay. Next subheading right there. Solution of a quadratic equation. Solution. This is not a new word for you. Solution. From polynomial zeros, we are coming to equation solution. Dear children, a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the, right there, is the general form of, all of you write, a square plus bx plus c that is equal to 0 is the general form of the quadratic equation in one variable. All of you write it. A square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of the quadratic equation in one variable. Because you will confuse a polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial, that I use px is equal to, here no. A square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, LHS and RHS. It is the general form of the quadratic equation. General form quadratic equation. We are talking about one variable only. After the solution of a quadratic equation. Solution. What do you mean by solution? Value of the variable which made the equation LHS is equal to RHS, or which make the equation equal is equal to whatever be that. 0 means make 0, but solution means the root of that equation. The value of the variable which satisfy the equation. Solution. Now write. Solution of a quadratic equation. Solution. Solution. What is solution? Tell me what is solution? What do you mean by solution? Tell me, you can tell. Priya, tell me what do you mean by solution? Irfana?
Power of variables.
No, my dear child. Power of the variable is the order of the equation. See, here the power is 2. It is not the solution. That is a quadratic power. Power is not solution. First class we told, first and second class. Solution. Look here. 2x minus 2. That is equal to 0. Value of the variable which satisfy the equation. See here, you know 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 is the solution. 2 minus 2, 0. Value of the variable which makes the equation, which satisfy the equation. Don't confuse. 0 of the polynomial and solution and root, these all are same, almost same. That will do. Okay. Don't say power. Power of this one. What is this? What is the power of this one? Is this a quadratic equation? 2s minus 2 is a quadratic equation? What kind of equation this one?
No.
What kind of
Linear equation.
Very good.
Linear equation.
Because the power is 1. But here, s square minus 100, that is equal to 0. It is very clear. Your power is 2. You are a quadratic equation. Tell me what is the solution of this one?
2 solution is the.
Very good, because power is 2. Tell me one solution.
10 and minus 10.
Very good, excellent. root of 100. That means x is equal to s square, that is equal to 100. S square is equal to 100. X is equal to root of 100. That means plus or minus 10. You got two solutions. Those who are confusing, write that. Doesn't matter. This is starting only. I don't want any confusion about the quadratic equation because quadratic polynomial, many, more than 10 classes. Okay, now what I am connecting that, expanding. Now solution, write the value of the variable which satisfy the equation. Quadratic equation, you can add. Here they're telling. Solution of the quadratic equation, we satisfy the quadratic equation. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial, s square plus bs plus c. And the roots of quadratic equation, s square plus bs plus c is equal to 0, are the same. I think you understood. Now, question is find the solution. Within the middle term, write the heading. Solution of quadratic equation by factorization. Write that. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Today I am minimizing writing and talking. Look, solution by factorization. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Because you have one more method is there. One method is omitted, complete in the square. And one more method is there by the formula method that we had to study. According to the new syllabus, complete in the square, you know what? We need the formula method. Now, first method is by factorization. That means this is not new, old friend only. We did the factorization of polynomial, quadratic polynomial, like that same method we can do. From example, you will understand. And taking textbook example. Right? Factorize. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Find the roots. Write the question all of you. Find the roots by factorization. First question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. Can I give the example? Okay. Right. S square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. S square minus 3x minus 10. S square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to, not px, is equal to 0. That is the difference. It is a quadratic equation. I think you can do this one, no need of my help. Try to do. I will help you. Like polynomial split in the middle term, we can do factorization. Do fast. Only 8 minutes are remaining. I will bind up on time. Can you? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Tell me yes or no. Yes. Naja, Fatima and Kambini, their team. Well done, do. Because it's called a quadratic polynomial. Only the last part equal to, you have to find out x is equal to, y is equal to. Do and tell me. Second one. Here, what is the multiplication? Product of two numbers and sum of two numbers. Okay. Two zeros are the two roots. Now listen here, okay. Multiplication is minus 10. And addition is minus 3. Addition is minus 3. Two numbers you have to think about. Multiplication is minus 10. Addition is minus 3. First clue. Two numbers are same sign. Are the same sign?
Sir, that textbook question not like this.
Not like this? S
No,
square
minus
minus
3.
3 as minus 10 is equal to 0. That's the question like this. You tell me then.
X square minus 5 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. You try this one. S square minus 3 as minus 10 is equal to 0. More easy. Can you do this one? It is more easy. S square minus 3 as minus 10 is equal to 0. Multiplication is minus 10 and addition is minus 3. Tell me the numbers. Okay, do. Next time we can do hard like that only. Multiplication is minus 10. Addition is minus 3. Two numbers are different sign because plus and minus. Okay. 5 and minus 2. You got it? What I told you? Put the bracket here. Put the bracket here. Write here x. Write here x. In this bag, you can put here minus 10, 5 and 2. Big number is minus. Minus 5 and plus 2. Minus 5 and plus 2. Yes, exactly. S plus A into S plus B. But the work is not over. This is equal to 0. S minus 5 into S plus 2, that is equal to 0. Then S minus 5 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 5. Or S plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. Yes. These are the solution. If you are given the value, you can check that 25 minus 25, that is equal to 0. Then here, if you are putting the value, you can check and you can see. It will be 0. ശരിയല്ലേ? ഇത് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടാണ് അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഞാൻ തരാം. I think there is no confusion here. Any confusion? Yes. Now, look here. Next question. Maybe I am changing the question. Don't worry about that. Exactly same, almost same thing. Like that. Here. 2s square. Write the question. 2s square minus x plus 1 by 8. That is equal to 0. 2s square minus x plus 1 by 8, that is equal to 0. What to do here? I told you, when our fraction denominator is there, multiply everywhere with the same denominator. Especially standard form, we don't want the fraction like that. You can do decimator because into 8, into 8, into 8, into 8, 0 into 8, 0. I am multiplying. Multiply by 8, all terms. Because 8 is the denominator. I don't want the denominator. This is easy method, standard form. 8 into 2, 16 s square.
Sir.
Yes.
Before question അത്ര ചെയ്താൽ മതിയോ?
കഴിഞ്ഞല്ലോ s is equal to 5, s is equal to minus 2. Find the value. ചെയ്തില്ലേ? s minus 5 into s plus 2 ചെയ്തില്ലേ? That means s minus 5 is equal to 0. S plus 2 is equal to 0. S minus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5. S plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. After that, question is over. For your mental satisfaction, if you want to satisfy your mind, apply that, check that. That is no need. But you can. ഇത് ശരിയാണോ തെറ്റാണോ നോക്കണ്ടേ? വാല്യൂ കൊടുത്തു നോക്കാം. Answer is up to here. Clear ആയോ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write this question, little bit hard. 2s square minus s plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Here, what is the difference here? 1 by 8. Our hurdles or trap and avoid it. 1 by 8, we don't want 1 by 8. Denominator, I don't like denominator fraction. Can addition something like that, it will make him problem. Into 8. ശരിയല്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഫസ്റ്റ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കില്ലേ? Dear children, where are you? Are you in the second question or first question?
Second question.
Okay, good. Today, why I am asking you? I have some problem, that is why. Some adjustment problem. So after this class, I want to see a doctor, that is why they are waiting. Okay, fine. Listen here. There is 1 by 8. Eight to multiply with every term. 3 terms are here. 8 into 2, 16 s square. 8 into minus 1 minus 8x. Minus 8x. Then here 1 by 8 into 8. 0 into 8, 0. See, standard form. There is no 8. ഈ 8 ഒഴിവാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ എല്ലാ ടൈം മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് പിന്നെ 8 എഴുതിയതാണ് 1 by 8. 16s square minus 8s plus 1 is equal to 0. ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പ്രൊസീഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രൊസീഡ് ചെയ്യാലോ. ഞാനിവിടെ വെയിറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ മീ. ആ ട്രാപ്പ് ഞാൻ ലൂസാക്കി, കെട്ടയച്ചു. ഇനി ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? യെസ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്. Carry on. A very, very interesting question is waiting for you. I want to that. That is why I am keeping this step. Anyway, for my satisfaction, what I am doing here, mn is equal to m plus n is, tell me what is this one? Mn is equal to multiplication of two numbers, tell me. Dear children, mashallah. Multiplication is 60. Very good, excellent. Clap for her. Addition is how much? M plus n. Addition is, okay, all are getting. Addition is, tell me. Addition is not 14. Ah, very good. Addition is minus 8. Now, split the middle term and do. As before, we cannot because 16s square minus 8s, we have to split the middle term. 16 is the multiplication and addition is minus 8. What is this? Which are the numbers? Okay, you got it. Okay, very nice. I'm confusing, but you help me. Thank you. Here, 16s square minus 4s plus 1. Now you are expert in splitting the middle two. Then you can finish that. Third question. You can complete that. Now write the third question because time is running. We are late. 3 minutes more. Now write this question. This you can take common outside. You can complete that one. Here, 4 you can take outside. 4x. 4x you can take outside. 16 divided by 4x, that means 4x. 4 for 16x. 4x outside means nothing there. 1, you can call 1. And our method, close your eyes and somebody put the same thing in your bag. 4x in your bag, you put the bag there. You want oranges, here will be oranges, 4x minus 1. Now look the bag, weight is there. Okay, fine, sir, 4x. What is this here? Plus, here minus is not equal. You can make this is math. Take 4x minus. Don't say minus only. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 4x minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1, exactly same thing. That means 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. The roots are repeating, doesn't matter. Let them repeat. The roots are repeating roots. So it is not over as you ask me. Here all you have to put 0, 0, 0. Otherwise, the examiner will cut 1 mark. Because that is the difference, polynomial and equations. Now you can solve it. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. Here also, x is equal to 1 by 4. The roots are repeating. X is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. You had to write this one. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? Yes, very nice. Yeah, yes, very nice. The last problem, already late. They're waiting for me. Anyway, I want to say this one. Root is coming, root. This all question you had to do 4.2 homework, full. Hard part I did. 4.2 homework, 4.2. 4.2 not full, question 1 up to 5, 6, 5 is other. 4.2, question 1, 5 bits. Don't do question 2 because statement, something like that we have to avoid. Here, you will see that you think it is hard. Root 2 s square plus 7x plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. 5 root 2, that is equal to 0. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. What is this? Root 2. Doesn't matter. As our procedure we had to follow. ഇത് ചെയ്തില്ല എല്ലാവരും? Can I rub? Okay. 4.2 homework, I wrote there. Now here. 2 minutes, I will bind up. I can complete it. Root 2 square of 7x plus 5 root 2. What is the problem here? Root 2 came. That is the only difference. Now, as before, we can see mn. Multiplication is 5 root 2 into root 2. What is the answer? 5 root 2 into root 2. Tell me the answer.
10.
10. Very good. 5 into 2, that is 10. Multiplication is 10. And addition, you know very well, that is 7. Which are the numbers? That is also easy, sir. What is this? 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 into 2, 10. The number is root 2 s square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. That is equal to 0. Split in the middle terms. 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. Don't touch this boy. Don't touch this child because within the middle term. Okay, fine. 5 and 2. Now see, we have to arrange. That is also easy. You are expert in that now. Root 2x square, 5x. What you can take outside? Root 2x square, 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. Okay. What we can take outside? I think x you can take outside. X. So what is left there? Root 2x plus 5. Turtle, your bag is here. Root 2x plus 5 you had to write here. Okay. Then what is left here? Root 2x plus 5. Here 2. 2 means root 2 into root 2. I am taking root 2 outside. There is no minus plus. Root 2 into root 2, 2x. Root 2 into 5, 5 root 2. Exactly same thing. We got it. You take e bag in here. Anna Fatima, take this bag. Root 2x plus 5. Then another boy, take this bag. S plus root 2. S plus root 2. That is equal to 0. That is equal. Now 2 bags are full. Root 2x plus 5 and x plus root 2. This bag, Hanagundoi. This bag and Fatima Killadi. X plus root 2, x plus root 2. Maybe this oranges, maybe this is banana. Doesn't matter. Banana in the banana bag only, oranges in the oranges bag only. Don't put together. Now, the work is over. You have to do last step. X is equal to how much? ഇതുവരെ മനസ്സിലായോ? Okay. Comment. തെക്കായോ? Okay. Time കഴിഞ്ഞുണ്ടോ? Now getting video stuck. Audio, can you hear? Video stuck.
Yes, sir.
Now you can hear.
We can hear but can't see you.
Okay. Maybe some problem. I don't know. Anyway, up to here you understood root 2x plus 5. Root 2x plus 5. I am taking common outside. Root 2x plus 5. Root of x plus root 2. That means that is equal to 0. Now, root 2x plus 5, that is equal to 0. So we need x, root 2x, that is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Linear equation. You will not escape without equation, without algebra up to 10. No, up to whenever you are studying math, you are in class 10. the minus 5 by root 2. Again, here, s plus root 2 is equal to 0. S plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2. So the answer is x is equal to minus 5 root 2. X is equal to minus root 2. Last answer. ഇപ്പം വൈറ്റ് ബോർഡ് കാണുന്നില്ലേ? യെസ്
യെസ് സർ, ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലിയർ ആണ്.
ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായോ? ഇത് ഇടയ്ക്ക് മിസ്സായി ഉണ്ടാവും, കാരണം എന്തോ സ്റ്റക്ക് വന്നു. റൂട്ട് 2x സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 5x പ്ലസ് 2x പ്ലസ് 5 റൂട്ട് 2 ഇവിടെ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ മിഡിൽ ടേം. യെസ്. Yes. After that, common x I took outside. This is one bag. This is another. Common. The mango and oranges. In the parnello. No, banana and oranges, banana and oranges. All bananas in one bag, all oranges in another bag. അതാണ് ഫാത്തിമയും നദിയൊക്കെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത്. ഒരു ബാഗ് ഫാത്തിമക്ക്, ഒരു ബാഗ് ഹനാനോ ഒക്കെ എടുത്തു. Root 2x plus 5. Common x outside, common root 2 outside. Be careful, 2 means root 2 into root 2. That means root 2x plus 5. Root 2 is outside. Here only the problem, root 2, root 3, radicals. So you know that class 9 you study, that doesn't matter. Now, last step, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. I am explaining because somebody told me we cannot see. X plus root 2, that is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2. Now, last answer I am writing here. Last answer. X, that is equal to minus 5 by root 2 and or S is equal to minus root. You are getting 4 marks. Okay? Any doubt? Clear? Okay, I am happy because 15, 14 are there, all are there, all are. Okay, I think you understood. Okay then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Do the homework. Next class, I won't see the homework. Then only I will proceed. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Pray for all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for all. Thank you. Okay, bye. Take care.